Hello, my dear students. So let's continue this one. I think um, the declarative part of the video doesn't have a sound, right? So I'm having a problem yesterday. I mean, last night with the connection. That is why you will notice that my voice sounded like a robot suddenly, right? So now let us continue to discuss the declarative programming paradigm. So I assume that you already know the imperative paradigm. So I'm gonna erase this one. Let's start again with the declarative paradigm. Okay, so let me recap. Imperative is asking you how did you do such output. Right? Let's say, for example, if your instructor is asking you to create a program the output should look like this, so you have to show him or her how did you do that. Okay, now that's very different from declarative. Okay, so because the declarative is very neat, it's uh, it is composed of functional, logical, right, in your module. Okay, so let me show you some example, very straight up example to to understand what is the difference between the two. Okay, so first, uh, I have to create right here a method which says print me, and then this print me has an argument, has a parameter which is string, and then data, whatever variable do you like. Okay, so here inside my method I'm gonna code right line and then pass my variable that is coming from this parameter. Okay, so every time you call the function print me here inside our main method, it will automatically ask you an input. So since this is a string, we have to pass a value that is a string. So you already know string is double quotes. Okay, you have to put something like hello, I am using declarative declarative programming paradigm. Okay, so this is wrong spelling. That is why I have their annotation, because it's a wrong spelling. It's imperative paradigm and then declarative paradigm. Okay, let's run this one. Oops, again, do not forget to put some read line right after your write line. This is to stop the process or interruption. So although I'm using the program paradigm, so this is very neat. So you don't need to show others how did you come up with this output. So it's hidden right. Okay, let's see. So for example, this method is placed somewhere from another class. So let's add some class. To add some class here in our C#, the hotkey for that is Control-Shift-A. Okay. We will name this temporary data. Temporary data. Okay, so inside our temporary data, let us create some function. So for example, we have public static. Make it sure that your access type is public, and then your class variable is static, and then your return type is void, and then here we have print me. Okay. Oh, it should be inside the class. Alright, inside the class. Okay, so print me. So in my print me, same kanina, string data, and then console, to make it different from earlier, it's very from other class. So the right line, and then data, oh not perhaps passing data, and then also the grade line. Right, so let's call this function here in our program. So let us just delete this one and then this one. Okay. So as you can see, we don't have the function here in our program class. Our function is coming from this, the temporary data. Okay, so let us try to call the function. So first you have to enter the class, then dot, and there you are. Here is the function that we created earlier. Okay, select that one, open close, and then you are asked, the compiler asks you what to print. What up? I'm using declarative way of code. Let's try this on the resource. Alright, there you are. Congratulations. So that is the difference between, that is the power of declarative paradigm. Why? Because it is very neat, right? It's very neat. You don't need to explain how did you do that, because it is being code from other classes. This is very, very useful, especially if you are creating a system. You don't, it should be encapsulated. In your object-oriented programming, you will encounter the word encapsulation. Okay. So I will not focus on it because it's another topic. It will take one segment. Okay. So I think that's it. And then good luck to your video. Hope you and your partner will work as a team, as a partner, okay? Para matapos mo kagad. The deadline for this is next week.